This is the Department 56 piece called Fireworks on the General Accessories page. It includes the adapter that you can see down here, as well as 3 green, red, and white replaceable bulbs. It has the sounds of the fireworks, as well as the white, red, and green that shows on the fiber optics. These are adjustable, bendable to anywhere that you would like them to be, and also at any time, if you'd prefer, there's a button right up under here where you can stop the sound, and the fireworks will still go on. Using fiber optics. We have over 40,000 retired mint condition Department 56 pieces in our 3 smoke-free warehouses. We normally ship within 2 business days, and UPS picks up 5 days a week from our warehouses. It's dept56retirees.com or online purchase at dept56.biz.